Good day, everyone. May I ask for everyone to look around and let us notice as we switch the lights. We are all here tonight, gathered to observe Earth Hour. It is more than just flipping the switch or plugging our home devices for this meaningful hour. It is our time of global solidarity for our home, our planet, and our environment. Now, by understanding these challenges, perhaps, we can take our first crucial step, and being informed allow us to move beyond simply being aware to being engaged. It helps us understand why sustainable practices matter, why policy choices regarding energy and conservation are important, and why innovation in green technology is so exciting and necessary. Earth Hour, in its simplicity, provide us this moment to pause for us to reflect on our relationship with Earth. It is a symbolic act. Yes, but symbols can be powerful catalysts. It reminds us that collective actions, even starting with something small like switching of our lights, can send a strong message and build momentum. But the real power of Earth Hour isn't just in the specific 60 minutes. It is in what inspires us to do after or for the other 8,759 hours of the year. It is about carrying this awareness forward into our daily choices, in our academic pursuit, in our future professions, and in our rules and active citizens. As college students, we are at a vital point in human history, as we are to inherit Earth at its time of unprecedented environmental challenges and unprecedented opportunity. This isn't just some imaginations. It is as concrete as the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, the stability of the climate that governs our weather patterns, and the incredible biodiversity that makes life on Earth so rich. It also asks of how we interact, and right now we have to take notice. We have been experiencing it in fact, having more extreme erratic weather, the rising sea levels, and the shifting ecosystem. We have witnessed the alarming rate of plastic pollution, choking out oceans, waterways, and its creatures, and perhaps with the microplastics. As soon, the Earth has been continuing to lose its species, diminishing the diversity that support us all. These aren't distant problems. They are current realities that will shape our future, our career, our families, and the world our children will inherit. This generation has reached the intellect that tells AI and sheer necessity to be the one that drives meaningful change by reminding ourselves, being conscious of our choices, learning for sustainable solutions, and all of us together, we can contribute to our healthier, more sustainable future. So, as the hour continues, let this hour of darkness or dimness to be the moment of enlightenment and clarity, and have such a moment to appreciate her, the environment that sustains us, and let us commit protecting it not just for an hour, but for life. Thank you.